What's up with you guys? It's your girl, Faith. And I'm back in with another freaking video for the girls. It's Hannah. But yeah, if you guys would like to know how to do this top knot bun, it was definitely so freaking cute. Don't mind my edges because I didn't do them today. I just put the lines in it. I didn't curl them. But if you guys want to know how to do all of that, I would definitely recommend you watching this video. So with that being said, make sure you guys stay tuned, like, comment, subscribe, join my gang, join my squad, period. So here's my hair combed out, ponytail looking hefty. I just want y'all to see, period. Me and your girl finna go wash her hair. I just put it back in this ponytail just to come out here and show y'all this. But man, I'm about to go wash it. I might show clips of me washing it, but because I'm recording on my phone, my camera, I lost the charger to it, so yeah, we're not gonna get to that. So yeah, but that is that. I'm so ready. Those are the shampoos I'm about to be using. I'm done washing my hair. Now I'm finna blow dry my hair, so yeah. And then I'm gonna show y'all everything that I'm gonna use. Y'all finna see how to do this ponytail, but finna blow dry my hair. So let me show y'all what we're finna go to. We're finna go from this. Okay, so here go my hair. It's not all the way dry. I'm pretty sure y'all can tell, but it's dry enough. And y'all, I don't know if I want to do a freaking middle pony or the top knot bun. I don't know. So see y'all there. So I'm back, y'all, and your girl got her pony. Anyways, y'all, guess what I got? Period. I got these J's that came out today. Period. Don't play with me. I'm finna show y'all the few products I do have, so hopefully I can work with these. I don't have the products that I wish I had, and most definitely I need this freaking shot of gel. I do not want to use this. This is gel. I really use this over anything, literally. But I do have some of these Stronghold beeswax. I will use this. Yeah, it's literally nothing in this freaking thing but that little bit. And I don't even know if there's shot of gel now, but guess what? I'm gonna use it. And then I got this pick, got this brush, got this comb, and then I got one pack of Queen Bee that I had left from when someone did my braids. And of course the edge brush and water, because y'all know I use water. And plus my hair is kind of already slick, so I don't think I will have to use that much gel or beeswax, depending on which one I use. So yeah, I don't have to use that much. But if we need more hair, I'll go get more hair at the room because I got a whole pack. Y'all know what Kayla say, 40-inch hair, yours came in a pack, period. It's 50 though. Don't play with me and mine, period. But yeah, y'all go check out go follow me on Instagram. Like if y'all follow me on Instagram, alright, storage on my phone. I already knew that was gonna happen, but whatever. But yeah, make sure y'all go follow me on Instagram. Follow me on all of my social medias. They will be down below. So we just gonna get into the hair. We ain't gonna do too much talk because we gotta get into the hair. Boy, that's what we on this video for. But yeah, 40-inch hair, yours came in a pack, but this 50-inch period. I'll play with me. Let's get into the freaking video. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, give me a big thumbs up if you guys messing with this hairstyle. And I will be doing a top knot bun, so let's get into it. I got my mom's phone. I'm gonna get it when she sees this video. Okay, so hey y'all, we just gonna let this video speak for itself, so make sure you guys pay attention and listen. So as you can see, your girl just vibing. I always gotta play my music, cause period. So here I'm taking the beeswax and applying it to my hair to form the ponytail. And here I take a little gel because I don't really like using gel, so yeah. And here I am trying to get the camera to messy up. But yeah, I'm about to say something, so yeah. Hopefully it's as straight as I wanted it. And I left the edges out. I feel like I gotta redo it. But I left the edges out too. So you can see. So yeah. We're gonna I like a troll. But I think it's slick. Look at my head, bro. Look at my head. Just look at it. Look at my head. Is it slick? On a scale of 1 through 10, how slick do y'all think it is? 1 through 10, how slick? So yeah. Now we're gonna add the weed, and yes, I'm gonna put it back in fast motion. Well, time lapse, fast motion. So yeah. I'm back. So here you take the shorter piece, and then you attach the rubber band or scrunchie. I prefer to use scrunchie because you can see the rubber band popped. Sorry, I had to change angles because my mom took her phone. But here you just however long however tall you want your bun to be is where you start at, and then you just wrap the opposite way and keep wrapping down. The other piece that I have out is the piece that I'm gonna wrap to the bottom, which is the last piece. So yeah. Yeah, this quality is so freaking trash, but as y'all can see, here I'm done. I got 3, and then I got the last one. It's wrapped around. So now I'm gonna do my edges. Is this on? Wait, bro, I didn't even turn it on. Let's see. I didn't even have it on. What that mean? It's blinking. Oh shoot, these things hot. I'm gonna do my edges. So here, as y'all can see, your girl is combing the little edges that she do have out. But yeah, combing on both sides. And here, I'm just curling my edges because as you saw in the beginning when I showed the video, I had my edges curled. Kind of want to go for a really, really cute curly edges style, Yeah, so that's what I'm doing. Hold it for about 5 seconds, and you'll have a curl like that. And this basically what I'm gonna do. So yeah, just pay attention. Okay, yeah, I just need to take more out. So we're gonna finish curling these, and then I'm gonna come back on here to actually do them. Anyways, now see my edges. I don't have nothing right here, so yeah. And I was gonna take some out at the back, but let me turn these off. And I'm gonna try to get a different angle so y'all can actually see me do my edges, because my mom took her phone. Yeah, she got me by taking her phone from me. So I'm about to go in her bathroom and do my edges so y'all can see. But y'all, my curl them, they look crazy. And we're gonna see what's gonna be up. Don't mind the phone. We just gon' deal with it at this point. Yeah, because at this point, I was just like, yeah, I need to come on. But I'm not going to talk so much here because I think that you guys should just pay attention and watch. It's not really nothing to talk about. I'm just doing my edges as usual, Just putting the shiny gems on the ends. Well, not the ends, but the roots of my edges. And then just making that swoop effect. And basically what I do to that side, I'm going to do to the other side. So, yeah. Make sure you guys pay attention, like, comment, subscribe, join my gang, join my squad. Oh, and I did go back and recurl my edges. Y'all will see it in the next clip. But yeah, this turned out so freaking cute and I love it. Anyways, I just think I look so pretty. This cute. I'm not gonna have this up for a very long time, so yeah, it really don't matter. But at the end of the day, I think it's so cute. Don't mind my nails. But anyways, this is the end of this video. And if you are new to this, well, new to my channel, at the end of my hair tutorials, I do put Snapchat videos, pictures or whatever at the end to show y'all how pretty it looks. And what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna try some new shades that I just recently got for my business. So if you like them, you like how they look or whatever, you love them or whatever, make sure you guys come shop with me. The link will be down below. www.braidbeauty.com, BRATZBEYOUTY.com. Period. Come shop with me. Anyways, I'm back and my doggone phone storage gone again, and y'all, I just saw that my girls fell, but they still holding up on this side. But like I said, I'm gonna go to sleep anyway, so I'm gonna fix it in the morning. I'm gonna go to my website, www.braidsbeauty.com. Braidsbeauty.com, period. And then you tap on the 3 lines in the right hand corner. Oh, my stomach growling. And then you scroll and you go to sunglasses and shades. And these are glossy. My favorite ones were the matte ones, or matte, whatever you want to call it. Those are my favorite, but I have no idea what they is. So yeah, I switched to the glossy ones. So I'm gonna put these on for y'all again. Whatever gets that, doom, 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 period. Don't play with me. So y'all come shop with me. These, like I said, just got these in. They new, whatever. And then I have my classy girls. I can't wait to wear these on Snapchat tomorrow because I gotta show the girls and guys like how to wear these classy. These are very classy. You don't just put these on with anything. These are classy. Even though I'm not gonna be classy tomorrow, but we're gonna put the shades on just because they classy and you know I look classy in the face. So yeah, here go these. Like I'm looking like but period. These are classy. So make sure y'all come shop with me. And then these are just my eyeglasses. I'll put them on. So yeah, y'all let me know which ones y'all like. And of course, I have many more shades. My shades are starting at $8. And I want to let y'all know that I do have kid shades. So girl, boy, come get you some shades. Get your daughter some shades. And y'all, I got the Money and Me deal, period. So yeah, get your daughter some shades that could be looking pretty. And yeah, make sure y'all come shop with me. And like I said, the link will be down below. And I just say thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. Join my gang, join my squad. If you're new, get that bell ring ding. And I'll see you guys in the next freaking video. Period. I look so freaking